Since you first searched how to make money online, it's been obvious what you need to do. Sell your own product, create a website, get buyers traffic, and build a list. It sounds so easy, but it's almost impossible for the average person to do. But what if there was an all-in-one solution? Well, there is a groundbreaking new remixing technology that came out of nowhere in 2024 to let you build unlimited brands and products, create unlimited beautiful high-converting websites, sell unlimited branded software as if it was your own. Get free targeted buyers traffic on day one and start building a real online business right from your browser today without needing another marketing tool ever. Well, after $100,000 in development cost, it's finally here. A completely new way to build a website, sell products, get traffic to help you launch an entirely new online business from scratch with no additional cost, skills, or learning curve required. Up to 1,000 times faster than before. How is this possible? Because this is the tool that truly lets you plug into the done-for-you templates of a six-figure marketer, and in the process, solve all the problems that stopped you from profiting so far. See if you've been looking for a proven all-in-one software suite that automates every step you need to build a real online business, while also giving you an edge, even over the top six-figure marketers. Something not only lets the little guy compete, but actually dominate the competition in 2023. Then look no further, because today it's here, and it's called Remixable. This may be the craziest demo you've ever seen, so strap in and let's get started. All the coaching, training, and help you need to get set up and start making money today. Access is just a click away. It only takes a second to sign up. This could really change your life. Click below to get instant access, and if you are watching this on social media, click the link in the bio. Good luck and see you on the inside.